Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I do hope that you stay and enjoy more content from my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to leave me a comment. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continuous support is highly appreciated. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning the kitchen, which is a total disaster. But before that, my husband finally fixed the tap in the kitchen, which has not been working properly for some months now. But I'm so glad that he finally fixed it. So guys, the past week for me has just been chaos. So the first 3 days we didn't have electricity, so I didn't have any warm water to clean the house or to wash the dishes or anything like that. So I didn't clean the house, and I told myself, okay, well, 3 days is not bad. After 3 days, I'll just do a nice deep clean of the whole house. Cool. After 3 days, we had a water problem now. I don't know, we had an issue with some pipe down the road, and we didn't have water for about 4 days. Guys, to say that I was frustrated is just an understatement, because now I didn't have water, but I have electricity. So still, I can't clean, I can't do the laundry. Like I'm saying, it was just so frustrating, and hence my kitchen looks the way that it looks right now. All the dishes were out the cupboards because I couldn't wash the dishes. I couldn't wash any cups. I was out of cutlery. Yo, guys, it was a mess. But anyway, I finally have electricity and water, and I am going to be cleaning the kitchen. I had already cleaned the rest of the house, and by the time I was in the kitchen, I was like so tired. So I cleaned the kitchen within 2 days because I was just tired, and I decided to give myself a break because I don't want to be too exhausted to a point where tomorrow I can't even wake up. So thank you so much, guys, for clicking on this video. I really do hope that you enjoy it. I'm not going to be talking much in this video because it's just lots of washing the dishes and just basically cleaning my kitchen. So I'm just gonna let the music play. I hope you enjoy it. If you are also cleaning your house, or you're decluttering, or you're washing the dishes, let's do it together and just listen to music whilst we clean our spaces. Thank you so much for joining me again on this video.
So frustrating, I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this, I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. Call me a fan, I'm living, give me your hand, I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. We've been making magic, and sometimes I get nervous but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting, it's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this, I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. Call me a fan, I'm living, give me your hand, I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do. searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
To make things easier for me, I decided to take all the dishes and put them into a bucket and add hot, like piping hot water for them just to the food had already like stuck onto the plates. I mean, it had been a couple of days, so it was going to be really tough to wash them just with regular temperature water. So I just put them in a bucket and added hot water that I boiled with a pot, because at this point I really just wanted to clean my house and I couldn't wait for the water in the geyser to warm up. So yeah, I just used this bucket.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place
2 and I'm just washing all the dishes and pots that were left from yesterday and all the pots and dishes that I've used for last night's dinner.
Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't I'm the prey, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. When you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. When you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from It doesn't get better than this. Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Finally, I was done washing all of those dishes and wiping down my cupboards and cleaning the stove. All that's left now is just to mop the floor. And I am happy with how my kitchen looks from that disaster it was the whole week. Today, finally, it's back in shape. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, to give this video a like, to comment, and have a fantastic week. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow.